A scene script. Embarking on a European adventure and need a Schengen visa. Here's your 8-step guide. 1. Download the application form from the embassy or consulate's official website of your intended country. Step 2. Complete the form accurately, detailing your travel dates, purpose of visit, and accommodation plans. 3. Gather supporting documents. These include passport-sized photos, a valid passport, your travel itinerary, travel insurance, proof of financial means, employment and income proof, and possibly an invitation letter. 4. Submit your completed application and documents to the embassy or consulate. 5. Pay the visa application fee. This varies depending on the country and type of visa. 6. Attend an interview if required by the embassy or consulate. 7. Wait for processing. Be sure to apply well ahead of your travel dates. And finally, Step 8. Collect your visa from the embassy or consulate once approved. Remember, requirements may vary slightly between different Schengen countries, so always review the specific instructions provided by the embassy or consulate of the country you plan to visit. Happy travels!